Guys, welcome to another beautiful video and welcome to this video. My name remains Ojuolape Space, and today I'm taking you to the market in Ibadan where they sell mainly fruits. This market is called Oje Market, and one thing about Oje Market you'll be so surprised. Oje is a market in Ibadan, but it comprises of different types of goods being sold at Oje. This is Oje Fruits. We have Oje Onigbi, we have Oje Alashoke. So if you want for the fruits, this is where you get your fruit, and it's so cheap. When I mean so cheap at this particular place, the fruits here are so cheap. You'll be so amazed what you're going to be getting. Like when I got to this room, I wanted to get this particular orange, and initially I don't know how they sell. So when I asked her how do they sell, she was like 12 pieces for 200 naira. I was like, are you serious? She said yes. You know, now as per the kind of person I am, as per, you know, babes, they like to price market. Now I had to now price and answer how much. Like she now say, okay, because of me, okay, madam, I want money 14 ni 100 naira. That is, madam, you can take it for 14 for 100 naira. And I was so happy. I was even within me, I was like, why am I even pricing this orange? Because it's cheap enough. So she sold it for me for 14 for 100 naira. An amazing thing about it is you're free to select, to pick whatever you want to pick. So look, I was telling her I don't know how to pick your orange. They holding it and feeling some oranges. They know when it is ripe and when it's going to be sweet. I don't know the magic or the science behind their hand as an instrument to test for the sweetness and the ripe orange. Anyhow, she sold it for me, and I begged her to pick for me because sincerely I don't know how to pick orange. Then I was not enough because I was so amazed to have found this particular market here in Ibadan. So I went for plantain. The plantain though is expensive, but here is still a little bit cheaper. She was giving me, there's a particular stick I bought for just 600 naira, a full bunch, but not more than 7 pieces though. I went to where I can get watermelon because I love watermelon. I actually bought watermelon and I enjoyed it. It was so ripe and it was so good. So I went for watermelon. This watermelon, though, is not too expensive. Some are going for 200, some are going for 300, some are going for 400. But if you're such a person that you like to start a fruit business and you live in Ibadan, you can come to this market. Their fruit here are so, when I mean so cheap, because you know when you get to a place and they tell you the price, you wanted to even ask the person, come, Are you sure you know the amount you're selling this in? That is how cheap their fruit at Oje Market is. And so I decided to like, okay, at least I love watermelon and it's a good fruit. So I bought watermelon. Their watermelon too is very, very cheap. I love pineapple so much. My children love pineapple, so I went for pineapple. But the pineapple, I don't know. Maybe it has a season because these ones, they are just calling them 500, 800. I was like, no, pineapple is not this expensive. Pineapple is usually so cheap, but it's like it has season when it's usually very, very cheap. So we also have our lime, the normal lime. They have limes to coconut. This coconut is expensive. This small coconut is going for 500 naira. I was like, what now? The coconut we used to buy for 150, 200, even sometimes 120 because I make coconut oil. So, but this time around, they're like, coconut is so expensive. So I couldn't buy. I bought just two of the coconut because my children, we love eating coconut. So sometimes it's not really to take coconut with gari, but just once in a while they have to have that unique taste of coconut. So I went for just two pieces of coconut. Then we have our normal apple, the red and the green apple. Me, I like apple because when I'm doing my monthly shopping for fruit, I love taking apple. And I don't really like this green one. I prefer the red color. I think I don't know why. I just prefer the red color to the green color. This is tangerine at Oje Market. These are the poor everything. And the Yoruba people call it tanjalo. They name it tanjalo. And this tanjalo, the way they sell the orange is not the method they sell this tangerine. I was so surprised. I wanted to buy this tangerine. So they was like telling me they don't do the normal canteen 12 for 100 naira or 16 for 100 naira. This time around, it comes in a basket. So if you want to buy tangerine, don't go with the impression of buying maybe particular number with particular amount. They sell in baskets. They have their normal basket measurements that they have there. So if there's someone that loves like this basket now, this is the smallest basket and it's 1,000 naira. So if you are buying, they'll pick for you or you pick yourself is allowed. Then you fill it up. This basket, when it's filled up, is just 1,000 naira. Everything inside. Then I asked if they sell half. They said yes, they sell half. They even sell quarter, and the quarter is going for 250, and it's much. When I say even the quarter is much, so yeah, we have fruits in abundance here at wow, I hope you're enjoying our fruits market in Ibadan. Thank you so much. If you're watching this video, thank you for always supporting Ojuolape space. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your suggestion is also fully welcome. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in my next video. I say bye.